welcome to Sathi IAS. In our ongoing mapping series, today we'll be discussing about South America. हमने the first part of South America already upload कर दिया है आप लोगों के लिए, you might have gone through it. उसमें we had discussed about the important mountains, plateaus, the volcanoes of South America, lakes, rivers. We talked about Amazonian basin, Pantanal wetlands. आज का जो सेशन है उसमें we'll be talking about the important deserts, important water bodies, grasslands of South America. This session will be slightly short क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ कवर करने के लिए यहाँ पे नहीं है. So please be with me. चलिए, first the important deserts of South America. South America में भी subtropical coastal deserts, western margin deserts हैं. They have been created by the movement of a cold current, also known as the Humboldt or the Peruvian current. It is this Humboldt, also known as the Peruvian current, which plays a very important role or which gets replaced by warm water during the El Nino years. ठीक है, सो अगर आप एल नीनो, लानीना ये सब पढ़ा होगा आपने ऑलरेडी, प्रीलिम्स के लिए तैयारी आप कर रहे हो, तो यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस करंट एज वेल. It is this current, this cold current, that has led to the creation of deserts on the western margin of South America, western subtropical margins of South America as well. यहाँ पे तीन important deserts हैं. The first desert is the Sechura desert. Sechura वैसे कहते हैं इसको. Second we have the Peruvian coastal desert. Now ये जो दोनों desert हैं, Sechura and Peruvian coastal desert, they are completely within Peru. पेरू की ही टेरिटरी में ये exist करते हैं completely. We have the third, the most important desert in this series of desert, the southernmost of these three, that is the Atacama Desert. Now the Atacama Desert, it is the driest place of the world. Okay, one of the driest places of the world, not the driest location of the world. The driest location of the world, it is located in China, known as Gurbantu Nugat. It is located in China and यहाँ yearly rainfall is 0 centimeter. बिल्कुल rainfall नहीं होती. This is known as the rainless quarter of the world. But Atacama, it is the driest non-polar desert of the world. ठीक है? Lithium Triangle जो है, Lithium Triangle, it is a region of the world that contains approximately 75% of the global reserves of lithium. ये lie करता है within the Atacama Desert. It includes 3 countries: Chile, Bolivia, and Argentina. A, B, C. यहाँ B is not Brazil, B is Bolivia. ये याद रखना, confusion हो जाता है बच्चों को. So Atacama Desert की अगर हम बात करें, it goes through 4 countries. Of course, ABC रहेगा, Chile, Bolivia, Argentina, and apart from that we have Peru. Because Peruvian current, उसको हम Peruvian current कहते हैं, तो पेरू में तो desert रहेगा ही. So Sechura and Peruvian deserts, Peruvian coastal desert, ये completely पेरू में lie करते हैं. ठीक है? So this is Atacama Desert. These are Sechura and Peruvian coastal deserts. Next we have the Patagonian Desert. Patagonian Desert जो है, it is a cold desert. Mainly it lies in Argentina, and a small part of it lies in Chile. Mainly Argentina में है, एक small part इसका Chile में lie करता है. Approximately 40 to 50 degree south latitude है. किस type का climate है? BWK type of climate, and that's why this is a cold desert. Next, let's talk about the important grasslands of South America. Pampas, the biggest grassland of South America. It is a temperate grassland. कहाँ lie करता है? Argentina, Uruguay and Brazil. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बहुत एक्सटेंसिव एग्रीकल्चर किया जाता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यहाँ पे क्योंकि बहुत ग्रास उगती है, यहाँ पे कैटल रैंचिंग भी अभी रिसेंट ईयर्स में, रिसेंट कुछ डिकेड्स में यहाँ पे काफी हाई लेवल पे स्टार्ट हो गया है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव llanos. Pampas were temperate grasslands. Llanos are tropical grassland. They are located in the northern part of South America in the countries of Venezuela and Colombia. यहाँ पे रिच बायोडाइवर्सिटी है, कैटल रैंचिंग, लाइवस्टॉक हर्डिंग यहाँ पे भी होती है. देन वी हैव कैंपोस. कैंपोस southern Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay. Neither completely tropical nor completely temperate. It is a subtropical grassland. ठीक है. Then we have Gran Chaco. Gran Chaco, Argentina, Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil. Gran Chaco is a woodland savanna region. Savanna है मतलब tropical grassland है, but यहाँ पे trees are more commonly found compared to the savanna or the tropical grassland regions of the world. That's why इसको हम woodland savanna कहते हैं. ठीक है. यहाँ पे grassland है interspersed with thorny shrubs. So these shrubs and trees, they are more frequently found here compared to the rest of the grasslands of the world. क्विकली इनको मैप पे हम लोकेट करते हैं. पंपास, llanos, campos and Gran Chaco. These are the llanos, the tropical grassland, campos, the subtropical grasslands, and the pampas, that is the temperate grasslands. Here we have Gran Chaco region. This is the Gran Chaco region. ब्राजील में एक बहुत छोटा पार्ट है इसका, बट बिकॉज पार्ट है दैट्स वाई हम ब्राजील को इंक्लूड यहाँ पे करेंगे. Next, the important water bodies that are present around South America. Of course, there's Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea जो है already हमने cover किया हुआ है when we were talking about North America. South America की कौन सी countries हैं which border Caribbean Sea? We have Colombia and Venezuela. Apart from that, another important water body that is not mentioned here is the Gulf of Venezuela. ये हमने कवर किया था in our previous session. Lake Maracaibo, it is connected to the Caribbean Sea via the Gulf of Venezuela. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे, this is Lake Maracaibo and this is the Gulf of Venezuela, which connects the Lake Maracaibo with the Caribbean Sea. Then we have the Strait of Magellan. Strait of Magellan is an important transit route, important shipping route. It is present at near the southern tip of South America. Southern Chile में ये exist करता है Strait of Magellan, and it connects Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans. Before Panama Canal was created and opened up, the Strait of Magellan made an important shipping route of the world. अभी भी जो बस southern hemisphere में movement अगर होना है किसी ship का, तो Strait of Magellan अभी भी काफी हद तक use किया जाता है. ठीक. Then we have the Drake Passage. Drake Passage exists between South America and Antarctica. South America और Antarctica को अगर आप मैप पे देखोगे बहुत ज़्यादा उनमें डिस्टेंस नहीं है, एंड छोटा सा एक पैसेज है जो पानी का बिटवीन साउथ अमेरिका एंड एंटार्क्टिका, दैट इज नोन एज द ड्रेक पैसेज. जो केप हॉर्न है, द सदर्न टिप ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका, वहां और जो एंटार्क्टिका है उनके बीच का रीजन इज ड्रेक पैसेज. ठीक. यहाँ पे बहुत रफ सीज हैं, बहुत ज्यादा शिप्स को बहुत टर्बुलेंस फेस करना पड़ता है, इसलिए टू अवॉइड गोइंग थ्रू ड्रेक पैसेज they prefer going through the Strait of Magellan. यहाँ पे आप देखिए Lake Maracaibo, this is Gulf of Venezuela, this is the Caribbean Sea. We have already covered Caribbean Sea in detail. This is the Strait of Magellan, the Strait of Magellan. And यहाँ पे Cape Horn से south में you see the Drake Passage. ये है Strait of Magellan. यहाँ पे है आपका Drake Passage between the Antarctica Peninsula and the Cape Horn. So these are all the important water bodies that are present around साउथ अमेरिका बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं था डिटेल्स यहाँ पे बताने के लिए, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस वीडियो इज़ अ लिटिल शॉर्टर। सो आई होप एक ही सिटिंग में आपने अभी तक देख लिया होगा। So that's it from my end for South America. In the next session, we'll talk about Antarctica, and after that, we'll start with the biggest continent of the world, that is Asia. So this is me, Pallavi Saxena, signing off for now. Thank you so much and all the very best.